Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can resize a strip on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and here you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Right here in the center, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sites that you have on Wix. And right now, I'm gonna go to the site I want to edit. So just go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it, and click on Select and Edit Site. Once you do that, you're gonna be taken to your dashboard right here. And here in the left, as you can see, guys, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here in the bottom, you're gonna find the option to edit your site. So just go ahead and click on it, and then just wait for your site to load. As you can see, guys, you're going to be taken right now to the Wix website editor, and this is how it will look like. So once you're here in the editor, here in the left, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize your site, such as the option to add elements, add sections, pages and menus, and so on. So right now, I'm going to add a strip by clicking on Add Elements. And then here you're going to find text, the option to add an image, button, strip, and so on. So I'm going to choose strip right now. And then I'm going to choose a random strip from here. So for example, I'm going to add this one. And as you can see, guys, right now the strip is added. You can change the placement of the strip like this. And if you want to resize the strip, just go to the borders right here until the mouse icon change like this. Then just click and hold click on the strip. And as you can see, guys, you can resize it by moving your mouse up or down. So basically, guys, this is how you can do this. And once you finish, you can just go ahead and click on save, or you can publish to go live. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.